O glorious Saint Joseph, faithful follower of Jesus Christ, to you I raise my heart and my hands to implore your powerful intercession. Obtain for me from the gentle heart of Jesus all the help and graces necessary for my spiritual and temporal welfare, particularly the grace of a happy death. And the special favor I now implore for our family. O guardian of the most incarnate, I feel animated that your prayers in my behalf will be graciously heard before the throne of God. O glorious Saint Joseph, through the love you bear for Jesus Christ and for the glory of his name, hear my prayers and obtain my petitions. Consolation of the afflicted, pray for us. Saint Joseph, hope of the sick, pray for us. Saint Joseph, patron of the dying, pray for us. Saint Joseph, terror of the demons, pray for us.